We all know that Sonam Kapoor is an outspoken actress who tends to say whatever is on her mind. What we didn't know is that her brother Harshvardhan Kapoor also follows in her footsteps of being outright honest. The actor's first film Mirzya bombed at the box office, but he received quite a few praises for his performance. And while he did win the Best Male Debut award at many shows, he lost the category at the most important award show, Filmfare. The trophy went out to Diljit Dosanjh for Udta Punjab, and the youngest Kapoor is visibly upset about it. At an event a few days back, when asked about this is what he said.
I know I won everything except Filmfare. So I think see, you don't really know what kind of goes into it. Like some awards have a jury, and then they decide. Some have a popular vote. So I don't really know how they decided this year. But I think I think debutante awards should be for people that are relatively new to films and have done kind of less work. Otherwise it's like saying I've done 100 English films and now I'm doing a Hindi film, so I'm a debutant. So if Leo DiCaprio once wins an Oscar and then comes to do a Bollywood movie, he's a debutant, which is not. I mean, it's not something I agree with. But I mean, I think I have Bhavesh Joshi and I have another film that I'm doing that's a biopic that I'm starting at the end of the year. Now Bhavesh Joshi might come out and it might connect with people more because of the plot and it's more relatable. So people may think that's a better performance, but that may not be the case. So it's so subjective and it's so greatly dependent on opinions. But I was very disappointed not to win, to be very honest with you. And I'm very sorry, but I'm a very honest person, and so if you ask me the question, I'm going to answer it. So very, very disappointed not to win.
Well, looks like we just got the female version of Sonam amongst us now. For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscutTV.